Now coming to hepatitis B, how do you eliminate hepatitis B from India? Two simple methods.
Okay.
One is every newborn is vaccinated. तो खत्म ही हो जाएगा, ट्रांसमिशन ही नहीं होगा. एंड ऑल दोज हु आर इन्फेक्टेड शुड बी ट्रीटेड. तो ट्रांसमिट ही नहीं होगा. So current policies are not so clear, but we are pushing that treat all infected and protect all who are likely to be born or are being born.
Okay.
Bas. And that's what the goal should be. So hepatitis B slowly can be eliminated. If you start today, it will take 60 or 70 years. So you can plan कि भाई 21वीं 2100 में जाकर के कहीं खत्म होगा.
Right. We in one of your talks I saw, which I want our viewers, also those who have not seen that talk, NASH. What is NASH? I want you to explain that to me now. I saw the talk, but those who don't have access to it and haven't seen it, so.
So who is Ash?
Aishwarya Rai.
So you have seen the whole
I've
of it.
seen that. Yes.
Okay. So Ash, and the Ash word Aishwarya is alcoholic steatohepatitis. I mean, it's not to put Ash into that, but Ash is alcohol. Steato means fat, and fat induced hepatitis. तो अल्कोहल लेने से जो आप पूछ रहे थे, लिवर में फैट है, दैट फैटी सेल इज़ नॉट अ गुड सेल. तो बॉडी की इम्यूनिटी उससे मारती है सेल को, एंड दैट इज़ हेपेटाइटिस. कुरुक्षेत्र की लड़ाई हो जाती है.
Everybody is fighting.
Everybody is fighting, and the liver cells die due to alcohol. That is ASH. But if the same thing happens without alcohol, it is NASH. So non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. So what injures the liver? There are three things: virus, alcohol, and fat. So people know two कि भाई वायरस से खराब होगा, अल्कोहल से होगा. They don't know the fat. In fact, 1% of the population is aware कि fat is bad for liver. If you take a survey, ठीक है यार, चलता है, खा लो, फैटी लिवर है, क्या होगा. अल्कोहल के बारे में 80% of the people know alcohol means bad liver, but not about fat. And through you and asking this question, NASH is so important. कि remember, fat can cause same injury and even more. अच्छा, अब एक बंदा पहले से ड्रिंक्स भी ले रहा है और वो फैट भी है, उसका तो क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है. दिस इज अ मल्टीप्लायर इफेक्ट. जैसे आप रोज शाम को ड्रिंक्स भी ले रहे हैं, फैटी फूड भी ले रहे हैं, और ओवरवेट भी और डायबिटीज़ भी हैं, तो गए.